What's up guys, Saf Ashraf here, back again with another video. You're watching SQTV, Saf's Quality Tech Videos. So as you might have noticed, I don't have a face cam on my video today. This is because of some technical difficulties. Instead, I'm just going to be recording my voice and the desktop on what I am doing. So as you can see, I'm on my desktop. You've clicked on this video because you would like to know on how to make easy and quick free channel art using Canva. So let's get straight into the video. What you're going to want to do is go into Chrome and search Canva. So that's canva.com. So go on to canva.com and you will be greeted with a couple of options. You can either pick the free option, which is just literally free. All you have to do is create an account and you'll be where I am. Or you could pick the premium package, which gives you some more options, but not drastically improving anything on the app. So as you can see, YouTube channel art right here. As you can see, it's also 2560 by 1440, which is what we need for something that will fit in our YouTube channel art. So what we are going to do is search gaming. For example, like if we want to make a gaming channel art. So I quite like the look of this one. Let's pick this. Karina plays to win. So we can just edit that to Saf's gaming channel. So this is just an example. I'm not actually making a gaming channel, guys. So as you can see, we can change the actual font of this as well. So let's say we don't quite like this, we can change it to something else. As you can see, a lot of them do have crowns next to them. This means this is only for the premium package, but it's fine. There are lots of other fonts we can play with. So Saf's gaming channel, I think that looks slightly better. We can change this to subscribe and then some exclamation marks to exaggerate. And we don't want to fill the actual whole template we are using, because YouTube will crop it to where my mouse is from here to here because of how much it's allowed to use. So we can also customize the actual controller. We can change the buttons and triggers, not the buttons and triggers, but the inside to different colors. Let's say we want a black controller. We can just change that to black. As you can see, that actually looks quite nice. We can even change the background. So sorry, let me just press cancel. We can change the color. Let's pick red. I think red has a nice contrast. Now we can come here. We can also change the actual, sorry, I'm not with PlayStation, the light at the back to red for some more contrast. So it looks quite nice altogether so far. So as you can see, Saf's gaming channel, subscribe, and a controller over here. Actually, let's change the back to an orange, or maybe, I don't know, a green. So honestly, you can do whatever you want. This is just a bit of what I want. So you can do, these are just some animations. We won't need that because we are actually, we are actually just making channel art. So there's literally a load of options. You can do background remover, however, that is for the premium users. So there are quite a lot of things in Canva Pro, but Canva by itself is actually still fine. So elements as well, there are elements here which basically you can choose a whole load of stickers and things to add to your channel. So let's say we have an Instagram and we want everyone to follow us there. We can just slightly make this smaller here, so we can add it next to our actual thing, or we can make it slightly smaller and add all of our socials. So we can do Instagram, Snapchat, whatever. So just do that. We can drag Instagram down here. We can search for Snapchat. You can get that. Let's try and stick with the same aesthetic. So as you can see, that is sadly for premium, so we'll have to use this. Just get it small, just make it slightly smaller so it just fits with everything else nicely. And we can have Twitter, so let's search Twitter. And yeah, so far I think this is looking quite nice. What do you guys think? So we can just add this, make it slightly smaller, and yeah, honestly, I think this is okay for a non-premium subscription package. So altogether, Canva actually looks quite nice. So what you're going to do after, once you're done, this isn't an in-depth tutorial. This is just like a quick tutorial on how to make channel art. So then after that, you're just gonna press download. Sorry, not but you're gonna have to make sure it's not in video, but instead it's in PNG, because that's an 2560 by 1440. So we're going to start. It's going to start preparing your design, and then it's going to be in your downloads. So just to show you what it will look like, youtube.com/c/safashraf. So we're just going to search that, and I'm going to show you guys what it will look like. So as you can see, I'm on 162 subscribers. Thank you guys for the support so far. So just click this, and you can drag or select a file. So let me just quickly go into my downloads, Saf's gaming channel right here, and we're going to drag it in. Okay, so I've found the file, Saf's gaming channel, drag it in, and it will start uploading. As you can see, 2560 by 1440 right here. So pardon me, it will upload, and then hopefully it will give us some options to crop and like let us choose how we want it to be. So far I think Canva is quite nice. What do you guys think? So it's nearly uploaded. Bear with me, my Wi-Fi connection is a bit slow these days. Okay, so it has officially finished. As you can see, Saf's gaming channel, it gives you an example of what it will look like. This is how it will look like on desktop, TV, and mobile. So what do you guys think altogether? Is Canva a good starter for you guys to make your thumbnails, channel art, and everything like that? So make sure to go and check Canva out. This is Saf Ashraf. You've been watching SQTV, how to make quick and easy channel art with Canva. So like and subscribe. Saf Ashraf.